Hey everyone, it's Char here, and for my blog post today, I'm going to be talking you through how to set up a future log and what you can use these for. These are personally one of my favorite spreads to do and to use. I do them in the beginning of every yearly journal setup I do, and I also do mini monthly versions of these at the beginning of every month. They're super useful and pretty straightforward to do, although they can be tedious. They're not too complicated, so I'm going to show you how to do those today. So as I said, these can be tedious just because of all of the little calendars that you're doing. So I tend to keep these a little bit more on the simple side. I like to just pick sort of a color family that I keep within. For this example here, I'm obviously sticking with greens and a little bit of gray. And I tend to keep the doodling to a minimum. If you have more patience than I do, you can obviously add more detail into these or add some more doodles, but I tend to like to keep these a little bit simpler just so I can get through them a little quicker and so that they're a little bit more functional. There are a lot of different ways that you can approach a future log, and this video is part of a blog post where I've got lots of other examples from other design team members and other folks in the community if you want to check out those and get some more inspiration from other people. Be sure to click the blog post that's linked in the description and you will find lots of inspiration, lots of examples, and a lot more information on how to set these up yourself. So that is it for me today, you guys. I hope you found this helpful and good luck setting up your next future log. I will see you next time.